Welcome to Taylor Wood Crafts. I'm back in the workshop. We're going to be adding colour with lavender, aubergine and rouge mica powder. This time I'm using some ash live edge timber along with Craft Resin's Epoxy Resin. I always make a pen mark on my measuring containers to help me get an accurate pour of my epoxy and hardener. After heating up the resin, I mixed it with my hardener, as I feel this helps with mixing and releasing gases. After pouring my mixed resin into my silicone moulds, I then submerged my live edge ash into my epoxy mix and then placed it into my silicone moulds. As you can see, this part was quite messy, but it's all part of the fun. I then mixed glitter into the remaining resin to add a little sparkle. To help with the curing process, I bought a tank and a heat mat to help control my temperatures. The following day I made up another batch of resin. This time we were going to add our colours. Pouring the colours is my favourite part of any resin project. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, you just have to pour the colours and let them mix. And if you want, you can give them a little stir to give that swish effect we all love. I decided to add a little metallic into my pour to help the colours pop against the natural wood grain and bark colour. After placing my pour back in my heat tank, I was able to control the temperature for another 24 hours in a dust-free environment. The following day the epoxy had cured and it was ready for removing the moulds. After flattening and sanding my boards, I added some food safe top oil to give it that natural sheen. And if you'd like to try out your own resin projects, please check out Craft Resin's Epoxy Resin.